Wood plays a starring role in nearly every home. How? With few exceptions, homes are framed with softwood lumber. Wood is a cost-effective structural material that's easy to build with and familiar to DIYers, builders, and contractors. So it's ideal to create the enclosure for an energy-efficient home. This means homes use less energy for cooling in the summer and heating in the winter. So more money stays in your wallet, where it belongs. Building with wood can also significantly lower a home's carbon footprint. That's because wood products store carbon. Even better, wood is produced from the sun's energy, not fossil fuels. And it turns out, what's good for the planet is also good for us. Research shows that natural elements, like wood, automatically help us relax, lowering blood pressure and stress levels. And who couldn't use a little stress reduction? It's easy to bring the benefits of nature into your home with a wood feature wall, ceiling, wainscoting, or floors. Even exposed structural beams can do the job. You just have to be able to see the wood grain. From healthy homes to energy efficiency and green building, there are lots of reasons to love wood and the houses it turns into homes. So take a deep breath, visit your local lumberyard and get building. Need some inspiration? We have plenty at woodnaturally.com.